best laptops you can buy in 2024. Our top picks for March. Picking up the best laptop can be a stressful task. The best laptops should be powerful enough for everyday use and comfortable enough to be dragged all day with efficiency in terms of performance. Whether you're looking for a blazing fast gaming laptop or a lightweight machine for office work, we've got something to cater to a diversity of user preferences. The Apple MacBook Air M2 maintains the top spot on the list of the best laptops of 2024. It's a great choice for most people. It has a combination of great features. The MacBook Air M2 is reliable for everyday performance and provides long battery life in a sleek design. It's available in a larger 15-inch display size. Meanwhile, there's also an alternative to the MacBook Air in the market, the Asus ZenBook 13, a powerful laptop that's listed at a starting price tag of $1,399.99. Here is our top 10 list of laptop picks from Apple, HP, Lenovo, Microsoft, Asus, Acer, and more. MacBook Air M2, HP Pavilion Plus 14, Dell XPS 15, Asus ZenBook 13, Acer Aspire 5, Microsoft Surface Pro 8, Lenovo YogaBook 9i, Asus ROG Zephyrus G14, Acer Swift 5, Acer Predator Helios Neo 16.